Hello everybody, welcome to this video of free video courses. In this video we are going to learn how to install XAMPP in Ubuntu. We will be using Ubuntu 14.04 and WordPress 4.1. At first we need to go to the site where we can find XAMPP to download. The site is Apache Friends. It is the site where you can download your XAMPP. Here you can find for Windows and for Linux. In this tutorial we will be taking this one, the 64-bit of PHP 5.6.3 for the latest edition. In case of Ubuntu, this XAMPP will be installed as LAMP, and we will use timestamp to save our time in some places. For that, the detail of the installation process is very lengthy. So after we have downloaded our file, we need to go to the terminal and write some codes. At first we need to give the downloaded file permission to execute. So let us see how we can do that. In the terminal you have to write sudo chmod with this along the .run file xampp linux. This will give the file its permission for executing in Ubuntu. After clicking enter to it, you will get a prompt for your password, and then the file will be permitted for execution. After giving the permission to the file, we need to write this code in the terminal to run the file. It will open up a installation window where we can just progress further as it will be written, and after that we can see that the XAMPP has been installed in the directory. We will be skipping this part because it is lengthy process and there is nothing important to show. After complete installation of XAMPP in the Ubuntu, we can find it in our local drive, in the root, and then opt, and here you have the LAMP folder under which our XAMPP is installed. As you can see, all the folders are here, as the Apache 2 or the htdocs, everything is here. So now let us go into our next phase, which is modifying or configuring XAMPP through browser. To modify or configuring our XAMPP through browser, we have to write localhost XAMPP in the browser address bar, and it will result in opening this window where we can go to phpMyAdmin and create some databases. I have already created all these databases, as you can see, but we will create another one. So we go to databases and then create our databases for, let's say, testdb. Everything should be right where it is, and this is very simple. After giving the name of the database, you just click on to create, and as you can see, the testdb database that you have trying to create is being created, but as it happens, there are no tables found in this database. When we will be installing WordPress, the tables will be inserted automatically. So this is all about installing XAMPP and the first step for creating our own WordPress site. In the later videos we will go deeper in this territory and find out how interesting all the things are. In our next video we will show you how to install WordPress in the Ubuntu 14.04, and after that we will do all the work in Ubuntu 14.04. So thank you very much. Please look forward to our next video.